Next up, the Architect's Toolbox. This is the brand new key added with Season 2 of DMZ. On the original map, we'll head to the center of E3, just down to the bottom right-hand corner of it, right over here. Inside of this T-shaped or L-shaped building here, rather, underground is where you'll find this. Right here, the Architect's Toolbox. Now, there's two ways of getting here. Number one, this ladder, and you move down there. This ladder leads up and into the aforementioned L-shaped building, once again, right over here on the map. Assuming you can get access to this building, I don't know if it's always a stronghold, but when it is, you can get in here. Then come downstairs while the server is terrible. And when you get down the ladder, to the left-hand side, there is where you'll want to head. Now, if we head out this direction here, you'll get to a point. This is not what I want here. Ooh, surprised I survived that. 300 ping and the server's lagging. Down this point here, this cave seems to get even bigger. There's a way down here to more loot, and this door here opens to zipline that heads up through a well over here in this area. This is right over here, pretty much almost dead center of E3 while we were down here. This is the one entrance. You can come down here, run all the way across through this door, assuming you have a key to access it, then down all the way down there, you'll get back. Now, this exit instead has a door here, and this leads directly out. No ziplines required. I'm being shot at, so I'll stand here. This area right here, also center of E3. And finally, in the other direction instead, there's the toolbox once more. This way down here, you'll travel all the way to this door here, opening it up. This is where you come out. Once again, another hill. That is definitely not what I want to see. Anyways, this hill entrance is right about here, near the bottom center of E3. The entire area is pretty well guarded. As you can tell, playing on high ping is definitely not the best thing that could happen, but there we are. And the last way, I assume, to get in here, down there, instead of coming down the ladder, is this door here. This also opens directly to the outside. There's still people sitting outside. Great. Anyways, you get the point. There's a ton of entrances here. This is a very accessible toolbox, though you do need a key to get in here. Just a normal stronghold key, I would understand most of the time. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.